Good morning, class 7th. Our today's topic is rock cycle. It is now a fact that one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. एक प्रकार का जो रॉक होता है वो दूसरे प्रकार के रॉक में कुछ निश्चित कंडीशंस के तहत साइक्लिक मैनर में चेंज हो जाता है. This process of transformation of a rock to another is called rock cycle. This transformation is known as rock cycle. When the rock cycle has been occurred, during that period many processes has been occurred. The first one is that the hot and molten magma forms igneous rocks on cooling. It means that whatever the magma that is molten and hot, that forms igneous rocks when it was being cool. Due to the exposure to weather and erosion, igneous rocks are transformed into sedimentary rocks. And due to the exposure to weather and erosion, these igneous rocks are transformed into sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks are subjected to intense heat and pressure to transform into metamorphic rocks. Due to the pressure, due to the heat, it were changed into metamorphic rocks. The sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks are buried again. The sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks were buried and melt to form magma. When it was molten, it formed magma, which can be converted into igneous rocks. The process of transformation took millions of years, but it was very easy to say that the rocks were transformed into other form. But it has taken millions of years. The rock cycle is represented in the following figure. Whatever the figure on page number 69 given as rock cycle, you have to understand it through this figure. Try to make it on rough copy. After that, usage of rocks and minerals. There are several uses of rocks and minerals. Human beings are using rocks and minerals for various purposes. Earlier, rocks are used to make tools, weapons, but some of the applications of rocks and minerals are as follows. The first one is that in the construction of roads, buildings and houses, rocks are used. In the construction of roads, buildings and houses, rocks are used. Soil is formed from rocks. Soil is also formed from rocks used for agriculture. Minerals like coal and petroleum as a source of energy, and minerals like coal and petroleum is the source of energy. Chemicals found in sedimentary rocks are used for making fertilizers. Whatever the chemicals found on sedimentary rocks, those are used for making fertilizers. Diamonds are used for making jewelry. Diamond is also a type of mineral which is used for making jewelry. In making glass, ceramics, soaps, etc. So this type of like this, the chapter is over, and further I will give you the exercises of this. Thank you, beta.